How to test full menu run phone diagnostic sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So after click on device care, scroll down and click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostics, you will see click on phone diagnostics, and if you want to test, so click on test all and restart test. You will see battery, NFC, SIM, power phones restart, so system software, so mobile network, sensors, and you will see. So after testing sensors, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can test menu run full phone diagnostic in sounds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.